I finally got my hands on the Moxie Beauty products and I'm finally going to unbox it. As a curly haired girl, me literally unboxing Moxie Beauty with 1000% expectations and hopes. The scalp reviving kit where I have this shampoo, restoring conditioner, daily calming leave-in serum, dandruff detox, pre-wash treatment, and Moxie Beauty. So cute of you to send these cute stickers. Babies! I'm going to be reviewing these products in my next video, so stay tuned.